Well, here's what's going on in the sky this month. Start off, here's Earth with the blue orbit there. And Venus has been shining very brightly in the evening sky. Mercury has been visible, but it'll be headed back down and hard to see. So that's what's going on, but let me show you what's not going on. There's a big rumor going around that Mars is going to be as close to Earth as it's ever been and all that. And if that was the case, then Mars would be right here in its orbit in order for it to be closest to Earth. But instead, Mars is way over here. So, yeah, Mars is pretty far right now. So the rumor going around about Mars is totally false. It says that it's going to be the closest it's ever been to Earth, and it's going to appear as big as the full moon, which is just crazy. So here it is. It's actually going to be more than 2 times the distance to the sun away from Earth. So about 198 million miles. So it is visible right above Venus in the evening sky. Venus clearly outshines Mars though. And here's how it appears in the sky. So this is sunset. The blue line here is the horizon. This is the sun just setting there. And there's Mercury, which is getting pretty low now. And Saturn. And Venus and Mars. So there's Venus, very bright. The brightest thing in the sky other than the moon right now. As it sets in the west after sunset. Then right next to it is Mars. Much fainter than Venus. And then down about 4 o'clock from Venus is Saturn. So 3 planets, maybe 4 if you're lucky, in the evening sky just after sunset. Coming on across the sky, let's go to the east. And here is the eastern horizon at sunset. And there's Jupiter and Uranus just getting ready to rise. So Jupiter is rising about 9 o'clock in the morning. Not in the evening, excuse me. So as we progress this, there it is. There's Jupiter rising in the east. And Uranus is right next to it. And Neptune rises before that. Neptune is going to be at opposition, which means that it's on the opposite side of the sky from the sun, therefore lighting Neptune into 100% phase. So that's when objects are normally their brightest. So here's Uranus in the green, and here's Neptune in the blue. So straight back from the sun as viewed from the Earth. Way in there, the blue orbit. There's Pluto. Now Saturn is about to go on the other side of the sun, so it won't be visible. Luckily Jupiter is on the opposite side, so right as we're losing Saturn to the evening sun, we're gaining Jupiter in the evening sky on the other side in the east. So there we go. That's what's going on in the sky this month.